Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Today we are going to read exercise of Unit 1 and the unit name is A Bottle of Dew. Let us think and reflect.
Let us think and reflect.
1.
1.
Read the following lines
Read the following lines
and answer the questions that follow.
and answer the questions that follow.
1.
1.
He spent all his time
He spent all his time
to learn about the magic potion.
to learn about the magic potion.
People cheated him often,
People cheated him often,
promising to tell him about it,
promising to tell him about it,
but he did not give up.
but he did not give up.
His wife Madhumati was tired of this
His wife Madhumati was tired of this
and also worried because she saw how much money Ramanatha was spending.
because she saw how much money Ramanatha was spending.
She was sure that
She was sure that
soon they would be without money.
soon they would have money.
1.
1.
Complete the sentence with a suitable reason.
Complete the sentence with a suitable reason.
Ramanatha did not give up because
Ramanatha did not give up because
blank.
blank.
2.
2.
Read the column which shows what happened
Read the column which shows what happened
and write the correct outcome in the next column.
and write the correct outcome in the next column.
What happened?
What happened?
A.
A.
People promised to tell Ramanatha about the magic potion.
People promised to tell Ramanatha about the magic potion.
B.
B.
Ramanatha was spending a lot of money.
Ramanatha was spending a lot of money.
3.
3.
Write whether the following statements are true or false.
Write whether the following statements are true or false.
A.
A.
Madhumati was troubled
Madhumati was troubled
about what her husband did.
about what her husband did.
B.
B.
Ramanatha was very happy digging his fields.
Ramanatha was very happy in his fields.
C.
C.
The sage wanted to show
The sage wanted to show
the right path to Ramanatha.
the right path
2.
to
Carefully he took the bottle to the sage.
carefully he took the water to the sage.
The sage smiled and muttered something over the water.
The sage smiled and muttered something over the water.
Then he returned the bottle and said,
Then he turned the bottle and said,
"Try it out."
Try it out.
Ramanatha sprinkled a few drops on a copper vessel.
Ramanatha sprinkled a few drops on the copper vessel
And waited for it to turn to gold.
and waited for it to turn to gold.
To his surprise, nothing happened.
To his surprise, nothing happened.
1.
1.
Choose the option that lists the events
Choose the option that lists the event
given below in the correct order.
given below in the correct order.
A.
A.
The sage smiled.
The sage smiled.
B.
B.
Ramanatha gave the bottle to the sage.
Ramanatha gave the bottle to the sage.
C.
C.
Ramanatha dropped a few drops of water on a copper vessel.
Ramanatha dropped a few drops of water on a copper vessel.
D.
D.
He said something in a low voice over the water.
He said something in a low voice over the water.
E.
E.
Ramanatha waited to see if the magic worked.
Ramanatha waited to see if the magic worked.
2.
2.
Fill in the blanks with the correct word.
Fill the blanks with the correct words
from the lines given above.
from the lines given above.
Seeing that the plant had dried up,
Seeing that the plant had dried up,
the gardener blanked some water on it.
the gardener had some water on it.
3.
3.
How might Ramanatha have felt
How might Ramanatha have felt
when nothing happened to the copper vessel?
when nothing happened to the copper vessel?
2.
2.
Answer the following questions.
Answer the following questions.
1.
1.
What did the sage ask Ramanatha to do
What did the sage ask Ramanatha to do
to make the magic potion?
to make the magic potion?
2.
2.
Why did the sage ask Ramanatha
Why did the sage ask Ramanatha
to do everything himself?
to do everything himself?
3.
3.
How could Ramanatha have
How could Ramanatha have
a big banana plantation after 6 years?
a big banana plantation after 6 years?
4.
4.
How did the sage make Ramanatha believe
How did the sage make Ramanatha believe
that there is no magic potion?
that there is no magic potion?
5.
5.
Fill in the before and after table about Ramanatha.
Fill in the before and after table about Ramanatha.
What he did after meeting the sage.
What he did after meeting the sage.
Let us learn.
Let us learn.
1.
1.
Read the following words from the story.
Read the following words from the story.
Promise,
Promise,
spending,
spending,
cheated,
cheated,
luck,
love,
remember,
remember,
huge,
huge,
difficult,
difficult,
market.
market.
Use the words correctly
Use the words correctly
to complete the paragraph given below.
to complete the paragraph given below.
There are 2 extra words in the box
There are 2 extra words in the box
that you do not need.
that you do not need.
There was a farmer
There was a farmer
who had a blank coconut plantation.
who had a land coconut plantation.
He worked hard
He worked hard
and did not depend on blank.
and did not depend on land.
Every day was blank,
Every day was blank,
but he did not give up.
but he did not give up.
One day,
One day,
a man bought a bag of coconuts from him.
a man bought a bag of coconuts from him
And blank to pay him the money the next day.
and began to pay him the money the next day.
And blank to pay him the money the next day.
And began to pay him the money the next day.
Days passed,
Days passed,
and the man did not pay him anything.
and the man did not pay him anything.
The farmer felt blank.
The farmer felt blank.
About 2 months later,
About 2 months later,
he met the same man
he met the same man
and asked him about his money.
and asked him about his money.
The man said,
The man,
"Oh, I had forgotten.
oh, I had forgotten.
Now I blank,
Now I can
buying coconuts from you."
buy coconuts from you.
And he paid the money.
And he paid the money.
2.
2.
Read the words from the story in column A.
Read the words from the story in column A.
Read the new words in the column B.
Read the new words in column B.
Complete the meaning of the words
Complete the meaning of the words
given in column B.
given in column B.
Meanings of some words are given below.
Meaning of some words are given below.
Column A.
Column A.
I. Your. Due. Sun. 1. 8. C. Column B. I. Your. Due. Sun. 1. 8. C. Meanings of words in column B. Short from of you are. Happening at some time in the future. Past tense of win. The words given in each row of the table above have the same sounds, but different spellings and meanings. Such words are called homophones. 3. Choose 4 pairs of homophones from the table above. And for each pair, write a sentence that uses both homophones. In the same sentence, check your answers by sharing them with your teacher and classmates. An example has been given below. I ate 8 bananas for breakfast today. 4. Match the phrases in column A with the phrases in column B. Use the connecting words given in the middle column to make meaningful sentences. Column A. The children submitted their work when he did not want to try rock climbing. Why? The children ran towards the gate. When? Nitin was late to school today. Why? Connecting words. Because. Before. As soon as. Column B. The bell rang. There was a traffic jam. The deadline. Office fear of heights. 5. Here are 2 sentences with letter B. Read them slowly the first time. As you read them a few more times, read them faster each time. Bunty Bhaiya bought a big bunch of bananas. A big bunch of bananas was bought by Bunty Bhaiya. Now try to create a tongue twister on your own. And share it with your peers. Let us listen. You will listen to what Madhumati does with the bananas from her plantation. As you listen,
As you listen,
Number the events in the correct order
number the events in the correct order
in which they happen.
in which they happen.
Write the number in the box beside each event.
Write the number in the box beside each event.
Refer to page 36 from transcript.
Refer to page 36 for transcript.
1. Gives 2 bananas to a boy
Gives 2 bananas to a boy
who is hungry.
who is hungry.
2.
2.
Meets her friend Kalavati
Meets her friend Kalavati
in the market.
in the market.
3.
3.
Visits her mother
Visits her mother
and gives her 2 dozen of bananas.
and gives her 2 dozen bananas.
4.
4.
Chooses to go home
Chooses to go home
as only some bananas were left.
as only some bananas were left.
5.
5.
Visits her neighbor
Visits her neighbor
and gives them a bunch of bananas.
and gives them a bunch of bananas.
6.
6.
Gives 12 banana to her friend.
Gives 12 bananas to her friend.
7.
7.
Goes to the market to sell the bananas.
Goes to the market to sell bananas.
Let us speak.
Let us speak.
1.
1.
Read aloud the following words from the story.
Read aloud the following words from the story.
Sage,
Sage,
promising,
promising,
wisdom,
wisdom,
trees,
trees,
surprise.
surprise.
All these words have the letter S in them,
All these words have the letter S in them.
but the sound of letter S is not always the same.
But the sound of letter S is not always the same.
The letter S has a S sound.
The letter S has a S sound.
In wisdom,
In wisdom,
the letter S has a Z sound.
the letter S has a Z sound.
In trees,
In trees,
the letter S has a Z sound.
the letter S has a Z sound.
In surprise,
In surprise,
the first letter S has a S sound.
the first letter S has a S sound.
And the second has a Z sound.
And the second has a Z sound.
Now speak each word clearly
Now speak each word clearly,
along with your teacher and classmates.
along with your teacher and classmates.
Your teacher will now say some words.
Your teacher will now say some words.
Listen carefully to the sound of S.
Listen carefully to the sound of S.
Write the sound next to the word.
Write the sound next to the word.
Beds,
Beds,
sand,
sand,
cloths,
cloths,
sea,
sea,
was,
was,
keys,
keys,
bags,
bags,
nose.
nose.
Discuss the following questions with a partner.
Discuss the following questions with a partner.
You may use the hints given in brackets while speaking.
You may use the hints given in brackets while speaking.
You may use the hints given in brackets while speaking.
You may use the hints given in brackets while speaking.
1.
1.
What does hard work mean to you?
What does hard work mean to you?
It means
It means
it is something.
it is something.
Well, you see,
When you see
what I mean is.
what I mean is
2.
to
Give 3 reasons
give 3 reasons
why you think hard work is important.
why you think hard work is important.
Firstly, I feel because.
Firstly, I feel because.
Secondly,
Secondly,
I think.
I think.
Since.
Since.
Lastly.
Lastly.
I believe.
I believe.
As.
As.
3.
3.
Share 3 ideas
Share 3 ideas
you would give to someone. You would
you would give to someone.
you would give to someone
You would give to someone
who needs to work hard.
who needs to work hard.
To begin with,
To begin with,
it is important that
it is important that
next you could.
next you would.
Finally, I think you should.
Finally, I think you should.
Let us write.
Let us write.
1.
1.
Work in pairs.
Work in pairs.
To complete the description of a banana,
To complete the description of a banana,
you may take the help of the words given in brackets.
you may take the help of the words given in brackets.
Share your answers with your classmates and teacher.
Share your answers with your classmates and teachers.
When I like to eat a banana
When I like to eat a banana
at breakfast,
at breakfast,
during breaks,
during break,
after school.
after school.
Healthy because
Healthy because
gives energy,
gives energy,
rich in vitamins,
rich in vitamins,
stores fats,
stores fats,
filling,
filling,
good for skin,
good for skin,
taste,
taste,
sweet,
sweet,
sour,
sour,
salty,
salty,
bitter,
bitter,
creamy,
creamy,
spicy.
spicy.
How the outer covering feels on touch.
How the outer covering feels on touch.
Soft,
Soft,
hard,
hard,
smooth,
smooth,
silky,
silky,
rough,
rough,
sticky.
sticky.
Smell,
Smell,
fruity,
fruity,
strong,
strong,
bad,
bad,
sweet,
sweet,
fresh.
fresh.
Color of the outer covering and fruit.
Color of the outer covering and fruit.
Green,
Green,
yellow,
yellow,
white,
white,
brown,
brown,
black.
black.
Now,
Now,
use the information given in the picture
use the information given in the picture
to write 8 sentences about a banana.
to write 8 sentences about a banana.
Share your responses with your classmates and teacher.
Share your responses with your classmates and teachers.
2.
2.
On the basis of the story,
On the basis of the story,
A Bottle of Dew,
a bottle of dew,
develop a script with dialogues
develop a script with dialogues,
and enact it with expressions.
and enact it with expressions.
Present it in the assembly or your classroom.
Present it in the assembly or classroom.